I stand before you filled with gratitude, anticipation, admiration, and pride. I'm grateful to everybody here and the countless across the country who are watching for your tireless work to improve the health and well-being of women and children. I'm proud to be hosting the second Beyond Zero Summit to appreciate the incredible advances that your work, our collective work, has secured. It's been a journey of passion, energy, and boldness that has kept us on track since 2013. It's a special day for Beyond Zero because it gives me the honor and privilege to recognize and appreciate the role of our health workers, especially nurses and midwives, for their outstanding accomplishments in communities in which they serve. To me, you are all winners. The theme of this year's summit, increasing investment for primary health care, resonates with investments we have made to help us forge stronger, more equitable, more accessible healthcare for all. I admire and deeply respect the healthcare stakeholders for the innumerable sacrifices you make on a daily basis to move our country forward. I strongly support your belief in a future where the lives of all Kenyans, especially women and children, count. The theme of the summit also reminds us that good progress has been made on all fronts, and we are well on our way towards the achievement of universal health coverage and the Sustainable Development Goals. Over the past year, we have experienced the devastating effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result, we have come to appreciate the importance of a strong health system that includes a robust workforce at primary level. We continue to focus on reducing and eliminating mother-to-child transmission of HIV and syphilis in order to achieve our path validation by 2022. Our commitment towards the elimination of social injustices against women and girls, including female genital mutilation, by 2022, and ending all forms of gender-based violence by 2026 remains a priority for the government. We need to invest more in prevention of diseases and to advocate for healthy lifestyles alongside delivery of quality health care at community level. This is where the real change happens. Diversity and inclusivity remain fundamental to Beyond Zero's work. Today, we observe the International Day of Persons Living with Disability. This day has been set aside to reflect and increase awareness on the importance of inclusivity and access to services for all persons in society. Under the theme, Leadership and Participations of Persons with Disabilities Towards an Inclusive and Accessible and Sustainable Post-COVID-19 World, we are reminded of our collective commitment to do more to ensure that we leave no one behind. To this end, I urge for increased investment in registration and data collection mechanisms to advance our efforts for inclusivity. In addition, I firmly believe that partnerships are about finding ways to complement and leverage our unique competitive advantages for the greater good. It's through such partnerships that we have made remarkable progress in health at both national and county level. They include partnerships with the private sector, civil society, the media, and all citizens. To all our partners, I recognize and applaud your support. Thank you for your courage, your clarity of vision, and your commitment. As we celebrate our nurses, we all have individual stories of how they have impacted our lives, our families, our communities. Sadly, we have also lost many brave health warriors in the battle against COVID-19 pandemic. Kindly let us rise for a moment of silence in their honor. As I conclude, I extend my appreciation to you for accepting my invitation to the Beyond Zero Summit. Thank you for joining me, and may God bless you all.